Hey, welcome back to the garage. It is the holidays. So today I'm going to be working on my Halloween project, naturally. So I'm going to try to make it a little bit better. I've got a couple things that I want to kind of wire into it to see if I can make it work a little better, maybe be a little brighter. Like many of you, this year has kicked me in the nether regions many times, over and over again, repeatedly. I'm fine, everything's fine. But I have a lot to be thankful for, and that includes you guys. I've actually hit 50 subscribers, so I'm super pumped about that. Yeah, so let's see what we can do on that project to make it look a little more seasonal. That actually pulled off paint. This thing was painted with a spray can. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is replace this power strip that I did not have the correct foresight in realizing how short this cord was. I bought one with a longer cord. I'm going to replace that. I have a couple more lights, LED lights to add to this. So I will put those in, and then there's a little bit of stuff I want to do on those speakers to try to make them work a little bit better. So here's what I'm doing with these things. They have an aux cord here. I'm just gonna do some quick testing. I don't know if you can see it. Do some quick testing to make sure that this is in, and then I want to hook up the USB so that these both charge as well. So that does seem to work. So what I have is I've got two of these. I have a splitter. And then I have two charging cables. Alright, so this is what it currently looks like, and that looks really bad. I don't think it's going to even work. So let's regroup. Instead of using the zip tie, this isn't very flexible stuff, so that's a little bit better. The only thing is I have to make sure that this doesn't fall back. It's pretty tight, so I don't want it to fold down this way though. So how do we stop that? I'm going to wrap one of these around, and then hit it with some electric tape so that it doesn't move. And that will act as a positive stop to keep it from going back out. Alright, so now with that like that, make sure I get this in the right direction. So this goes back up here. It's resistant to moving. There we go. So you can see it doesn't really want to move. Yeah, cool. So let's back out a little bit. That's what it'll look like. think I lost some footage, but I did the same thing to this side. I'm just gonna pop that in. Okay, so now that'll hang like that. Get the aux, AUX. Cool. All right, let's work on wiring. I'm gonna run this side's AUX down the front as far as I can get it. The reason why is I would like to get this Y, get it as close as possible to here. So when I get an extension, I can bring it. You can't see. So you do it on this side. Have this as close as possible to down here, to where I can run an extension down to my radio, and then have the radio hooked up to this, hopefully, or just a phone or something. Whatever has headphones out. So, now the USBs, I think what I'm going to do, I just need to get them here. Put the charger in here. I really should have washed this thing before this. Plug these in. That'll be good. Alright, so a light blew in there, but it wasn't this one. Interesting. Just to clarify here what's happening. This, I never did even see this. The light thing has two strings that can connect to it. I only hooked up the first one in the first video. And this will be hooking up the second one. Other connections here. One of the things I'm concerned about is getting an equal amount of this into each light. Let's just try this, see what happens. Okay. The purpose of that is to try to hold this side of it in while allowing this side to come back out and go into the lights. I should have started off with this light over here. Let's see. Kinda cool. Needs more though. Maybe I'll just do the two headlights. This is unfortunately one of those things where I'm only gonna know if I really hate it once I already have it all set up and put up on the wall. I found one charger I had ordered a two USB input charger, but I don't know where it is. So for now, this will do. Let's do a quick light check. Start the one. Cool. Alright, so those light up. A little bit of light in that. Okay, there's a lot more light in that one than there is in there, and that's gonna bug me. Let's see if we can... That's pretty cool, actually. Okay. The second one being out kind of bugs me too. So let's see what we can do. Alright, I took the whole thing apart and I redid it to balance it, and I think that looks really good. There's one more thing I want to try to do to clear up some clutter in my garage here. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not, but all it'll cost me is 2 holes if it doesn't. This might actually work. Alright, I think we're ready. Alright, so I found all the S-clips, but in keeping with the theme of the project, I just put these on with zip ties. Alright, so let's see if this will work. Once again, my joints are too short. Super duper. Let's fire it up and see what we've done. Hold up though, I think we're missing something. Something very important. Wait, we're not done. Alright, now we're ready to fire it up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Huge thanks to my wife for making the stuff. I'm really happy with how it came out. Really like the addition of putting this in here to light this up. I think that worked out really well. I hope you all have a super happy holiday. Thanks for watching. Just to try to hold this side. Oh my god, you're killing me tonight. No. That's bad. Now the USBs, I think what I'm gonna do.